hang on, what's going on here? So my mate Anthony over at Vandos Woodshop on Instagram has built a Woodjigs21 entry, but he doesn't have a YouTube channel. So I've stolen the videos and photos he's put up online, and we're hosting them here on the Fixit Fingers channel. It's inspired by the Izzy Swan design, and is basically a table saw lathe to make really consistent dowels, kind of like Mark's, but a little bit more refined. I'll let him explain how it all works.
I've done one modification since last night. I've just cut the bottom out and I've taken the plate out of my table saw. Gives me even better dust extraction. This just slides up and down according to the length that I need. Bolt on the front with bearings in to help me drive it. And then down this end I've got this adjustable so I can wind it up and gives me a good chamfer so I'll go get a better profiles and a bit of better protection. Stop all the rubbish speeding up at me. Put a bit of perspex on there. Gotta love those magnets, they work great. Dust port on the side for extra dust extraction, but yeah, it's working really well. So here you can see the difference. Unturned section, and then this section here, which is super fine sand on it, and it'll be perfect. That for a piece of rough old hardwood, old bearer.
So here it is for the judges to consider. Please go over to Instagram if you're on that platform and give Anthony a follow at Vandos Woodshop. Cheers guys, see you soon.